Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss 56 part SMTP AppServiceProvider set in Laravel 12. Tuition classes in Laravel 12, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related service +919941599815. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this my project is available. Inside this my project is available, and this project is already run localhost Laravel underscore directory. Inside this project is successfully super admin is a login, and this is a localhost PSP my admin successfully working fine. Let's start this video. And this SMTP setting is available. This is a SMTP table. This table inside this is a dynamic implementation. This is all dynamic implementation, and this is a dynamic implementation. This is available. Let's click this SMTP. This is the previous video is a all dynamic implementation, and .env file is open. .env file is open. This .env inside this is available. This is a all step by step dynamic implementation. This is a not a use. This is a not a use. This is a all dynamic is a set. This is a static data is a available. Let's this step by step. This is a correct credential is a implementation. This is a correct. This is a wrong way, and this is a correct credential is a available. Successfully correct credential is a available. This is a this name is a successfully save and update, successfully working fine. This is the implementation, good working. This is the implementation. Let's refresh this page, and this successfully working fine. This is a correct, not an incorrect credential. Let's step by step. This is a inside but not used but working fine. Let's app provider inside. This is a app service provider. This is a open this app service provider, and inside this is the implementation. This dynamic data. This data is a dynamic, and this first of all this is a table is available. This table name is a SMTP table, and this is a model is already created previous two video. Please check. This is a SMTP model. Let's same name copy, and inside this is a include. This is a save, and inside this is a include. Use app model, not a provider, models, and paste here. Successfully paste here models. Successfully this is a paste here models, and this is please step by step write down. Inside this is a new implementation. Use config. This is a use config is a use. This is a successfully implementation. This is a boost in. This is a available pagination otherwise issue. This please write down. And next is inside this is a first of all this is the same name copy, and inside this is a first name is available. First record is a get, only first record is a get is equal to $mail setting. $mail setting. Mail setting is a condition is a implementation if $mail setting. This is the $mail setting. Mail setting successfully mail setting. $data is equal to inside this is a close this $data save file. Let's first of all this is a drive name. Drive name is available SMTP. Next same name copy and paste here. This is a paste here. Second is a host name. Third is a port name. This is the encrypted name, username, and this is a password. Successfully password. Inside the last is a form. Form is a implementation. Form is a address and name. Address and name. This is address and name. successfully name, and this is a close this. Inside this new variable create app name variable create $app name is equal to, inside this is a new name, this app name is already created, and this is a successfully set, and inside this one implementation, this is already implementation, same name config net config. Inside this is a set, this is a app dot name, and this is a app name is the same name, copy app name and this paste here, and this is a name config, again config set mail, and this is a dollar data is a pass here, this copy same name copy and paste here dollar data, save, good working, this is a fine, successfully fine, and inside this is a data is available to this same name paste here, and this is a name is a dynamic name is a get, this is a dynamic, this is a static name, successfully all set. Inside this is a paste here, dynamic data is a get, and first of all this is a mail host name, and this is all is available, this is a app name, means app name is available, same name is a app name, this is a app name is a set, app name, inside this is a app name is available, this is a app name, all good, successfully working, find this app name. Second is a mailer, this is a mailer is available, this is a mailer. Third is a host name, this is a click the structure, and this is a host name, this short name is available, this short name is a host name. Port is available, this is a port. This is encryption, this is available, encryption, this is a username and password, this is a username and password, and last is a password, and this is form email is available, this is form address. Successfully all implementation, and this is a working, 100% is a working. Please check your email send, 100% is a forget password, mailer, host name, port, encryption, this is all data is a get, this is all dynamic is a set, successfully dynamic is a implementation, and this is a config inside this is a email psp.mail psp, inside this is available drive, and this is all available, host name, port name, username, password, this is all SMTP is a inside, this is a already by default is a available, and this is your implementation today. Please write down this step by step, please write down this all successful, this is a not used but remove 100% is a working fine, this is a dynamic name is a all dynamic name is a successfully, this is a not a used, inside this not used, and this is a all dynamic is a successfully working fine, all good. Please step by step write down, this is a all good working in this dynamic, and this is a my website is a YouTube channel is a please subscribe and click the bell icon, follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Any doubt to please contact, and this is a website is a selling 1 lakh rupees, anytime please contact, this is YouTube channel is a selling only 1 lakh rupees, this click this, in doubt to please contact this inside. Thank you for watching my video, thank you.